I want Maria Alexandra Moreira Lopez to speak something regarding this. Or if you want, can I give you a question? Okay. How is I'm very much interested in the Amazon region. How is the Amazon region working and integrating climate change into its work agenda?
Thank you very much, and thank you for the kind invitation to the Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization. If you allow me, I will speak in Spanish. Bueno, más complicado, toda vez que el IPCC ya nos
When we discuss climate change in the Amazon region, I can say that this is a very complex challenge because the global average temperature, they say that it has climbed 1 degree, 2 degrees, but in fact, when this is translated to the Amazon region, it is much worse because I understand that we've already increase the global temperatures in the Amazon regions by 1.2 degrees. And right now we are living in a situation, the reality is that it is in fact about 1.5 degrees. And so this means that the glaciers are in severe crisis. This ultimately means that the people, the residents living in the Amazon region will suffer severe bipolarization when it comes to the food crisis, when it comes to the energy crisis. And so we can say that climate change is the core of all government policy. Many people think that there are no people living in the Amazon region, but there are about 34 million people living in Amazon. In fact, there are many different ethnicities and indigenous tribes that are living there, and many of them even go to work in the cities that are neighboring the surrounding Amazon region. So we need to supply them with the necessary water resources and also deal with the processing of solid waste. And these are all issues that we really have to consider very much. That is why there are 8 countries right now: Bolivia, Ecuador, Guyana, Venezuela, Suriname, that are parts of our treaty organization, which we established together in 1978. This is a way for us to look both in terms of political partnership, technological cooperation, and funding. This Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization can lead to helping biodiversity, water resources, forestry, and the public policies regarding these issues, and also healthcare and different policies for the indigenous communities in the Amazon region. In fact, our organization oversees all of these different efforts. However, we play a role not just for the 8 member countries, but we must play a role for the entire world, because the forests and the rainforests, particularly in the Amazon region, if they are degraded, they are encompassing about 1 billion cubic meters of carbon emissions effect. And so if these rainforests, if the Amazon rainforests are degraded, then we will not benefit from this carbon offset. If we were to deteriorate the 10,000 or so cubic meters of Amazon, then this is would be almost like offsetting the entire efforts of the European continent. This means that when it comes to biodiversity and water resources of the Amazon region, it is economically feasible for us. It is much more beneficial for us to conserve these resources in the Amazon region. That is why in all of the different working programs that we are implementing, especially the cooperative programs that we are carrying out in the Amazon region, we are very active in these efforts so that our economy can be more competitive.
Thank you, Maria.